All right, so on these '05, I guess it'd be '03 to '06 body style Toyota Camrys, and they have clunking noise in the back. These are the top spots that you're gonna check. Number one is gonna be these sway bar links. So inside of here, you got a nylon cup with like a ball. So it's like a ball and socket that it's able to pivot, and they get loose and they clunk a lot. So what you can do is grab a hold of the sway bar itself and just pull up and down, and if it's got any play in it, you know it's bad. Sometimes they seize up as well and they'll get squeaky. Second spot to check is going to be the struts. Struts go bad. You know, these things drive forever, and eventually the seals fail and pukes all the oil out and the strut just starts clunking away. I've seen strut mounts go bad as well. Next spot that I would check, number 3, is these links. So it runs a 4-link suspension in the back, and they go from the steering knuckle up to the subframe, and these bushings will go bad and it'll start to move. And yeah, as you can see, I mean, this one, it's like rotten. That thing's gonna like rip itself out of there, so that's not cool. But yeah, this is a hurting unit. But that's usually what the top 3 spots I would check is sway bar link number 1, struts number 2, and these bushings and the 4 links on the back is number 3. I haven't really seen any of these go bad. I've seen one go bad in a Highlander once, and that was about it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.